Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In today's video, I will be sharing with you about the Gerber software. I will share with you a question that one of my students is struggling with. If you are interested in courses at Dinh Duy Cuong, you can visit the website at dingduicuong.com.vn. After that, you can click on the courses button to browse all the courses available on the dingduicuong.com.vn website. And here is the question that the student is asking. For example, in cases where we have a lot of elements stacked on top of each other like this, how can we work on one element without interfering with the others? So you'll notice there's a 3-dot square box below. You should click on it. Then a panel called Current Piece will appear here. For example, if you specifically want to work on a particular element, just select that individual element, and now when you select it, the system will focus exactly on the specific one you need. You can freely work on this element, even if it is currently placed anywhere on the screen. Similarly, if you want to clear it or select another element, you just pick a different one here. So now your mouse will only select the element you need. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next sharing videos.